Good afternoon, everybody. My name is David Mazzola with Johnson Ford here in New Richmond. Today I'm bringing you a 2021 Ford Explorer XLT. This is stock number 915735. You can check it out online on johnsonmotors.com. This is a very sharp rig, only 44,000 miles on it. It's got the 4-cylinder 2.3 liter engine. It's a certified pre-owned vehicle, meaning it went through a 172-point inspection, reconditioning, and it gives you a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 12-month, 12,000 bumper-to-bumper warranty. Make sure you check out all the photos online. Give me a call at 715-293-3189. Love to set up a time to meet with you, take you for a test drive, figure out what's important to you, and get you in a new vehicle. Appreciate you watching. There are other videos available. Make sure you click to subscribe, and I'll keep them coming for you. Have a great day.